Hello, my good people. Welcome again to Gikuru Codes. Today, I want to showcase to you this e-commerce website. It's a website that I've been working on. I have been using it for almost 3 months now. So, with this, it's just a simple e-commerce website that I'm using Django. Django is a Python framework, as I have told you earlier. So here we have the navigation bar. The navigation bar, we have the home tab, the account, about a section, suggestions, deals, contact, and the cart. The name of the website is J&N Online Collection. So in the homepage, we have then a search button. Here you can be able to search any type of goods that are on the website. It will help you in narrowing what you are looking for. Like for example, I can just type the name jacket. Let's go with the suggestion here. So when I hit the search button, you can be able to see if the item you're looking for is in our website or not. And if it is in the website, it all show down here. But for now, we can see we don't have any results for jacket. Let's try looking for things like we type the name, then we see, hit search. Here now we can see we have different types of clothing in our website. So this is all about the search button. Let's go back to the all items. So after the search, we have the categories. Here you can see the categories that we offer in our website. Currently, we are selling 4 things. We are selling the clothing, shoes, websites, and jewelries. So the body of our website looks like this one, where we have a very beautiful design displaying the items, all of the items here. For example, we have earrings, shillings 40, an e-commerce website, 42,750, portfolio websites coming at 27,000, shoes, Air Force 27,707, Air Force 2660, necklaces, and tops. So the very bottom we have 2 buttons for the previous and the next button. Currently the buttons are disabled because the items have not many in the website, but when the items overflows the website, that's where we get to have the next button being active, and automatically with the next button being active, we also need to have the previous button that will be able to take us back to the previous page. So in the About Us section, you can see a little about us, where we are located, what we deal with. For the customer service, we have the help tab, the developer, that is obvious me, the shipping, and the Google Map. We have the information here, where the billing policy, the privacy policy of our website, terms and condition, and the contact us. So now for the social links, we have the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So starting, let me take you back on top, where we can start with the account. So in the account, we have drop down menu, where this one helps the admin to navigate easily to the admin panel and the admin dashboard. In the admin panel, this is where the admin does most of the tasks, uploading new items, deleting the ones that are out of stock, or modifying the website. As I told you that I mostly deal with dynamic website. So dynamic websites are website that allows the admin to interact and to modify to what people can see in their website. All these fields, the categories, the items, all dynamic fields, such that the admin has the ability to modify and change the images, the names, and everything. So we will not first go into the admin panel or the admin dashboard. I will show you later. The next one here, we have the About Us. Here in the About Us page, this just briefly describes the website, what the website does, the founded by, what we offer in our websites, and stuff like those one, why shop with us, and the community. We have why join us, stay updated with the latest offer, promotion, and products launches. Follow us on social media and become part of our J&N collection family. So the next one here, we have the suggestion. In this page, this is the page where our users leave their suggestion. They can tell us what they want us to bring next in our website, such as which goods they need, which services they want us to bring, how we can modify our website so that it can be easy to navigate, user friendly, and stuff like this one. So when suggestions are added to our website, they are saved to the database. Then we can pull them from the database so that we can showcase them over here. I will just give you an overview of what I'm saying. I will add one suggestion here. I put my name, then my email, then I will add my suggestion. My suggestion will be something like a good work because this is my work, obvious. Good work, buddy. Keep it up. So once I submit this suggestion successfully, it will display here. So for now, we see we have one suggestion, that is me. I'm saying good work, buddy. Keep it up. Suggestion by Joseph Ndericho Gikuru at November 24, 2024. You can add as many suggestions as you want. I will add another one here with the same email. I will put subscribe to my YouTube channel. When I hit the submit button, it is saved, then you can get it. Can get here, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good work, buddy. And yeah, now you got the idea of the suggestion earlier, what it does. We value your feedback. That's why we have added such fields for you. The other tabs take you to the deals. So here we display items that have an offer, a discount of 30% and above. So far we see in our website we have only two items with 33.33% off. That one, like the Nike's women tank tops, it was previously going for 150 and now we are selling it at 100 shillings. For the tank tops, 150, 100 shillings. So the next area it is very similar to the home tab, just like it only displays the ones which have highest discounts. So the next one here, we have the contact here. We display our contact information. There is a retro field here that you can send us a message, you can chat with us through our WhatsApp, and we will get in touch with you. We have a little section showcasing the map where we are located in the maps. We are located at Alma Mater in Juja. So that's all. For the cart, I think there is nothing much to explain about the cart. You all know what the cart does. When you add items to the cart, they display here. Currently, you have no items in the cart. That's why you get your cart is empty. So going back to the home, in each and every card we have the view more details button. I know you are asking where is the add to cart button and stuff. So the add to cart button is inside the item itself. When you click on the view more details, you will be taken to the page where we display the items, and then you can now see if the item has sizes. The sizes will display here, but the available stock, the description, and the amount of and then we have the add to cart button. So once you click on the add to cart button, the cart will be updated. Now we have one item to the cart. So in the cart here, you can update the quantity. For now, we have one item, and you can also remove an item to the cart. Then it displays the subtotal. We have the continue to shopping button and then the checkout button. For now, I will take you back to the continue shopping, and then we will go and look at what happens beyond the checkout button. So when you hit on the continue shopping button, we are taken back to the home page. Here we can try adding something that has sizes or has a little bit of description. So with this one here, you see the little description there. We are not going to add it to cart because we have already had one to cart, one item. Show you another one that is out of stock. I don't know if I can see anything that is out of stock. Yeah, like this one here, the long sleeve top, it is out of stock. So once an item is out of stock, you will not be able to get the add to cart button. Why pay for an item that is already out of stock? So that is the reason Once an item is out of stock, you do not get the button, you get this alert message that tells you that our items are out of stock. So here we can be able to see the gallery. If the item has more than one image, the other images appears in gallery, where when I hover my mouse on any image, the image gets zoomed. So I will add a few items to the cart, and then you can go to the checkout button. So as I told you, you can update the cart here. Let's update this one to 5, 8, then we have 5, then we get 40 times 5, which is 200. The subtotal is updated. We can get to remove to cart. That removes all of them. So when I hit on checkout, you get three options. You get the item that you choose here. You get to see the item, the price and the quantity and the subtotal. Then if there are many, let me just show you. If we had more items, how it will look like. So they will display for you a list of each and every item that you have added to your cart. Then if you're satisfied, you can hit on the download a PDF. When you hit on the download a PDF, you will get a PDF of the items that you had added to your cart. So when I hit on the download, you get it starting to download. It is done for me. When I open a checkout here, you can see the items that I had previously added to cart and their total. So they were the earrings, quantity 1, 14, and that up there. So the other button here is the order now button. The order now button is for those customers who want to order their item. So if you hit on order now, you will get a small notification from us that this is the policy that we give for the orders. You must pick your order within 24 hours or contact us via the numbers in our website. For assistance, you must pay a 10% deposit. For the security, 90% will be payable upon collection of the items. We offer complimentary deliveries of orders within JCOT University for deliveries along Thika Road and beyond. A delivery fee will apply. Kindly notify us once you have placed your order. So there is an option for our customers that they can cancel their order. They can cancel so that they don't want to proceed with the orders if they don't want to proceed with the orders, or they can proceed with the orders. So when you proceed with the orders here, you'll get the order summary, the item, and then we have calculated for you here the total price, the prepayment amount. This is the 10% amount that you will pay, so that we can keep your order. For the remaining amount that you will pay when correcting your items will be 90%. For our case, the 90% is 171 shillings. So when you hit on the proceed to order button, you will be taken to this page that has the details and instructions on how to pay for your order. So you go to M-Pesa on your phone, select click on M-Pesa, business account number, amount, complete payment, keep the transaction messages, detailed prepayment, stuff. So once you are done with your payment here, now you will enter your payment details. These payment details will help us to confirm that you have placed your order, and if you need delivery, you will put here your delivery location. Just like I told you earlier, we offer deliveries within Thika Road, that is KU, Nairobi, and Thika, and free deliveries within Juja. So with that one here, I will add my number. I will add my phone number. Let me add just the phone number that is in the website. So I will add the phone number that is in the website. 5. The location here I will put, for me I'm in Juja. The transaction code. So I will put the transaction code here. So that is the transaction code of our payment are done. Once I hit on the confirm button, I will get an order receipt. So with this order receipt, you can choose to download the order receipt or to take a screenshot of the order receipt. So this one will help when you come to our shop to pick the item. It will be easier to identify you. So you can choose to download the receipt. Once you download the receipt, yeah, you can get a receipt. Our receipts, they will look like this one. So you can choose to download for it. For me, I've downloaded the receipt. You have the order date, prepayment amount, total price, we have the total price and the amount that you have paid. So with this one here, you can be able to know how much you have remained with. We have the order received, order ID 2, customer name Joseph, phone number, Juja, peso code, and those all good stuffs. So with that one shown, I will take you back. We will try to add some other items to the cart so that I can show you the other part where if you choose to pay for the full amount, the procedure is a little bit similar to the order, but you don't have to go all through those old tasks. So we go on to checkout. I will just add that one item. We have looked at the download PDF, what it does, the order now, the pay for goods. But first, I want you to know that currently I have not implemented the shipping functionality in our website because this website, as I told you, it has been in use for 3 months. So we were not offering shipping at the time. So that's why when you hit on the shipping, you get this alert that's saying that shipping request functionality is not yet implemented, it's coming soon. So for the pay for goods, you can come here and pay for goods. That is direct. You get the payment steps, the pay bill and whatever. The amount is the full amount. Now you pay here, you enter the M-Pesa code, enter the area, the image. With the image here, I don't have an M-Pesa image, but I just put any image, but you should put an actual M-Pesa image. For me, I will put an Acres image. Then enter any additional details. Here I will say paid, or you can just leave it as it is. So we have this up button that takes you back to the contact section that I had showed you earlier. So when you hit on the submit button here, you get the successful message. You get the success that the payment is done, completely done. Thank you for your purchase. Your payment has been processed successfully. So this is once your payment has been saved to our databases. That's when you get the message. You can choose to return home. And now, after each and every those processes of paying, the cart is refreshed and the cart gets back to zero. So once you buy something, there's seen another stock. I don't know if you can remember the stock that we had in the earrings, but the stock is deducted. So for this one here, we have 25. Let me just show you another one quickly, how it is deducted. Let me take a quantity of 15 so that we can remain with 10. Date, checkout. Let me maybe for this one here, choose an image, my same image. Here I can say paid, submit. So with that button here, you can see now when we go back to the earrings, they were previously 25. We can see the stock has reduced. We currently have 10 available items in our store. So when we go back to the footer, I told you we have the customer service links. That is the help and the frequently asked question. So these are the frequently asked question: who we are, our products and services, why choose us, and visit us today, where you can find us. So we have the developer. This one will take you to my website that you saw in the other videos. So in the shipping, this is will show you just the same as the other one. We are currently not offering shipping services. Please check back later. So for the direction to the Google map, it will open for you the Google map and show you where we are. So in the Google map, this is where you can find us. So for terms and condition here, you can see the terms and condition of our website, introduction, product services, governing rules, and all the good stuffs. For the billing and the privacy policy, we've got all of them there. For the privacy policy, just the same, it's just a simple HTML page. So after this one now, I will take you now to see the account tab. So in the account, as I had showed you, we have two drop-down links, the admin panel and the admin dashboard. So the admin panel, this is basically if you have worked with Django, you know that Django offers you an administration panel. So this panel, this is where you can do all the good stuff, but you can still do them in your database. But instead of going directly to your database, you can use the admin panel, add all your stuff to update, create, read, and do all the admin stuffs. Because some people, if you have never worked with a database, you can find this complicated. If you have never worked with some commands like the SQL, you can find it a little bit hard to navigate through some databases as they don't have a very clear user-friendly interface. So with the admin panel here, you have to be an admin. Now I will log in with my details because I'm already an admin in the system. Then I will show you how it looks like. I'll take you through it. I will log in. Now this is the admin panel. Here in the admin panel, we can see everything that we need to see in our system. We can see the users, how many users they are in the system. Currently, I am the only user in the system. I had deleted other users before I did this video. So for the users, for the groups, now this all in the admin panel. I will find time and do a video and show you how this panel works. So here you can find the admin sales record. You can add an admin sales record. I'm not going to add any. You can do the same for the carousel image. I will show you. I will add some random images so that you can see where these carousel images appear. So with that one, I'll come here and add some few images. I will I will choose an image one here. This one, stock cake, an alternative text. This is the alternative text that appears if an image fails to load. So it's always a good practice to add an alternative text if your image fails to load. Let me add C1, and that means carousel 1. ID, this the ID is a field that I have disabled because I want it to add itself automatically. So when we save it to you get the ID1 because this is the first image. So I'll add 2 to 3 images and then I'll show you. So once I have added all of them like this one here, and I go back to my website, when I go to the contact section, I will be able now to see the carousel images appear. Here, this carousel image are meant to showcase. So you can add the images of your business here, and once a person visits your website, he can be able to see some of the images of your business. So with that said, we'll go back to the admin section here. So this section, as I've told you, I will do a video of the admin panel to let you know everything that is done. You can filter, but there's some fields that I will show you, like the items field. So if a user wants to add any item to his website, any goods such as this one here displayed here, the item, like for now we have the first item as the earrings. So this first item is the latest item that I added to the website. So when I add another item, it will appear at the first item, then this one will be pushed to the next item. So I will try to show you how you add items through the admin panel in your website. So with this one here, I'll come here and choose a category of my items. I will choose website. Let me do websites. I will choose here school websites. School website. Description, lost and found. Campus app. So for now, you don't have to worry about this all information. You just have to walk with me as I enter the data. I will do a video of everything here. For this one, I will set it to, let me do it 30,000. The discount, let me put it a discount of that 5% so that it will go to the deals. For the stock here, we have one, it's a website. For the image, has sizes. Saying this for has sizes, that is for things like the shoes, the clothings, and all stuff that has sizes. But for website, we don't have to have sizes, but the item is available. If we don't check the available button here, the item will not be displayed in our homepage. So when you go to choose image, I will add some images and some campus lost and found. I will put, let me add this image, even this one is good. When I hit on the save button, yeah, you can find that, you can see that our item is added. It will be shown here. We display all the vital information for our users, the school website, the stock. You can be able to monitor your stock in this page before going and modifying or changing the availability within our websites. So the dates, they are added automatically, like for hours we have added it right now, but it is showing that it's 1:28 p.m. because we are using the American time. So after doing this one, once I go back to the website, and refresh, you can see the school website. It has been displayed over here. So you get to see the website itself, the image. Can you able to see the image here? Is this one. So that's how we add the items to the website. So the other stuff, the item, as you can see, the these were two, the these are now three. The item has been displayed here under our deals. Now in our deals, you can see we have an items with that 5% off. The new price will be 19,000. This a weird amount is 195,000. We had paid originally 300,000 instead of 30,000. But that just to the basic I wanted to show you there. So coming back to the account, we have seen the admin panel. Now I'll take you through the admin dashboard. So here in the admin dashboard, it is just basically a simpler version of the admin panel because the admin panel looks somehow more cluttered and difficult to read for some people. We know that the essence of making websites is just to minimize that hard work for you. So that's why I came up with the admin dashboard. In the admin dashboard, you can be able to visualize all of your data through the dashboard. And then you can be able to go to the admin panel and change your data. So once you go to the admin dashboard, you must log in as an admin. I will log in again. Yeah. Now this is the admin dashboard. So in the admin dashboard, the first thing you're seeing here is the total worth of all the goods in your website. So these total worth are inclusive of the discount for those items that have discount. So the owner can see how much he's going to earn from them. So the other field here is a field where you can be able to calculate the worth based on the category of goods. So for example, for here, if I hit on the calculate button, I will be able to see that the clothing in the website only worth 700 shillings. For the website here, we can be able to see that the website worth 978,000. So that will help the user to know the worth of the items, of the total items, of the total products that are in the website and the amount they are worth category wise. So the other things we are displaying the information of how many orders we have in the website. Currently, we are displaying one order. That is because when you go back to the admin panel under orders, we will just have one order. This is the order that I made with you through the website. So because we have one order in our website, that's why we get the data here that we only have one order in total. For the total products, we have the 15 products in the website. So with this one here, we can confirm through the admin panel under the items. And as you can see under the items, we have 15 items. So all this data, they are gotten from the website. So the items that are out of stock, we currently have 3. We can confirm through the admin panel here. We have 1, 2, and 3 that have the stock of 0. So when the stock is less than 1, we get the item out of stock. So the transactions here, we have 2 transactions. Transaction are inclusive of those transactions that are made when a person pays for an order. That pays the 10% of the prepayment amount and the one who pays the total amount. So once the transaction are made, they automatically go under the pending state and await the admin to confirm if the payment are correct. When the admin ascertains that all the payments done are actually correct payments, he can now be able to change the transaction status from pending to completed. Just like this one here, the ones we did. Let me change one here. You can see the M-Pesa code, the screenshot that we added for us. We added this necklace. Then the description, we added paid and the status is pending. Now, once I confirm that this payment was actually the correct payment, I will now go ahead to change the status here from pending to either rejected if it was not correct and either verified if I am certain that I received this amount. So for my case here, I will go with verified. And when I hit save button here and go back and refresh the dashboard, you can see the pending will change from 2 to 1. And then we will have the completed from 0 to 1. Now when I refresh on the page, you get one completed order and one pending transactions. So the other fields, they are the direct sales. Sales are the sales that are made out of the website. So for example, you have made sales, but the person who bought those goods did not buy the goods through the website. He bought the goods through the physical shop. The person selling the goods will be able to fill all the goods that he has sold through the admin panel. Then they will reflect here. So for the admin sales, we will get to see all the goods that was sold different admins. So for example, here I will try to sell one good through the admin panel so that I can show you. I'll come here and under admin item sales record, current you have 0. I will add an item. I will choose myself as the admin, then an item. Let me go with earrings, then quantity 12. When I refresh, there the total admin sales because I've sold 12 earrings. Now we get 12 total admin sales. So with this one here, we have the graphical representations of the goods. We have the pie chart displaying the items in different categories. For example, the clothing, when you hover, you can see there are 8. For the jewelries, we get 2. For the website, we get 3. And for the shoes, we have 2. So that's all for today. I am looking forward to having you in my next video. Thanks to all my returning subscribers, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you in my next videos.